all, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and today I'm going to talk about the most common problem, that is remembering Wi-Fi network password. After all, once we connect to the Wi-Fi network, then we rarely need to recall it. But the problem arises when we forgot and rejoin to network or reset the network setting, or one of our family member or friends requires to connect it. Don't worry, I am here to guide you and find Wi-Fi password with a 2 easy method on your Mac. But before I start sharing, I would like to request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Now, if you have done that, let's take a look at the first method. In this method, you will require to take the help of the Keychain app. Open Keychain app and I guess from the Spotlight search. Now search for a Wi-Fi network for that you want to view password. Let me look for iGeeks Media 5G. Now double click on the network name and it will open up a window, and from this check show password. Okay, we all know Apple is known for its security, and thus over here one will require to verify his or her identity with a Touch ID or with a password. If you prefer to use a password, then make sure you enter the correct username and your Mac password and click on allow. And there you go. You can view the Wi-Fi network password. I am sure this is an easy method, and I suggest viewing the next method, and that can be helpful too. Watch this closely as I am going to take the help of the Terminal app. Open Terminal app and type or copy this line of a code from the description. Now replace Wi-Fi name with your Wi-Fi network. In my case, it's an iGeeks Media 5G. Now press enter and it will ask for the username and a password of your Mac. Enter the correct credential and click on allow. And yeah, here is the Wi-Fi network password. So these are the two easy and very useful methods to find a Wi-Fi network password on your Mac. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, then please give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I am Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.